Hi guys, welcome to the channel Dino World TV. Wow friends, and wild animals packet is stuck in the mud. Now I am curious to know what the let's take it out and wash it. Let's see who is the animals. Let's wash it now. Wild animals packet. Let's open. Wow, many of animals. Wow, first animals, rooster. Wow, rooster. Let's wash it now, rooster.
Mostly known to you. Buck, buck, cluck, cluck, paddock.
Here we go, rooster. And the next animals out of the deer.
I am a deer, I jump up high. I bark loud, I can't deny.
Let's wash it now, deer. Here we go, deer. So get the next animals out of the camel.
The camel has 4 humps. Jumbo the camel has 4 humps. So go, Jumbo, go.
Let's wash it now, camel. Here we go, camel. And the next animals out of the horse. Let's wash it now, horse. Here we go, horse. So get the next animals, panda.
Five little
Let's wash it now, panda. Here we go, panda. So get the next animals out of the mud, sheep. Let's wash it now, sheep. Here we go. So get the next animals out of the mud, antelope. Let's wash it now, antelope. Here we go. So get the next animals out of the mud, tiger.
Are tigers.
Let's wash it now, tiger. Here we go, tiger. So get the next animals out of the mud, elephant.
Elephant is having a wash. Splash, 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 splash.
Let's wash it now. Here we go, elephant. So get the next animals out of the mud, cow.
मेरी गैया आती है मुझको दूध पिलाती.
Let's wash it now. Here we go, cow. So get the next animals out of the mud, zebra. Let's wash it now, zebra. Here we go, zebra. So get the next animals out of the mud, rhinoceros. Let's wash it now. Here we go, rhinoceros. So get the next animals out of the mud, bison.
I am a bison, I bellow through my nose. That's how I say hello to my folks.
Let's wash it now, bison. Here we go. So get the next animals out of the mud. Bear. Let's wash it now. Here we go, bear. So get the next animals out of the mud. Leopard.
I am a leopard, I leap up high, I purr and roar in great style. I climb tall trees and I hide.
Let's wash it now. Here we go, leopard. So get the next animals out of the mud. Hippo.
I am a hippopotamus, I never make a fuss. I grunt through my nose.
Let's wash it now, hippo. Here we go, hippo. So get the next animals out of the mud. T-Rex dinosaur. Let's wash it now. Here we go, T-Rex dinosaur. So get the next animals out of the mud. Giraffe. Let's wash it now, giraffe. Here we go, giraffe. So get the last animals out of the mud. Lion. Let's wash it now, lion. Here we go, lion. Thank you for watching my lovely kids viewer. Bye.